And we are getting a bigger development that is taking place in the top court, where the central government has now sought for permission from the court to file a counter affidavit in the Rafale review. Now, just days before it was taken up in the top court, and there were dramatic revelations also that came out when the review hearing was taking place. Now, what we are getting to know that permission has been granted by the Supreme Court, and Ministry of Defence will be filing an affidavit later on the behalf of the central government. Our legal correspondent Nalini will give us more information. Nalini, just give us more details of the counter affidavit that the government is planning to file in top court.
Review petitions that we're talking about, and essentially to the extent that we've also seen the Attorney General come up and make statements, right? There was crucial documents
that was stolen from the Ministry of Defence. Later on, he went to give a clarification regarding that. But today, the Ministry of Defence has approached the Supreme Court asking for permission to file a counter affidavit regarding the Rafale review petitions, and this permission has been granted by the Supreme Court to the Ministry of Defence. So sometime later today, we can expect for an official counter affidavit to be filed by the central government, and what this will essentially entail will be a response to the kind of aspersions that have been raised by the petitioners in this entire Rafale deal, mainly with regard to the fact that the central government has misled the court when it comes to several issues on the issue of Rafale itself. So there will be an affidavit put on record by the Ministry of Defence later today, and we'll have to wait and see exactly what kind of details the central government puts forth in this affidavit that we can expect to be filed today.
All right, so what Nalini is pointing out, especially when you have the permission that has been granted by the top court to the government there. But Nalini, if possible, do we have any information what could be in that counter affidavit? Because in the last review hearing that took place in the top court, several dramatic revelations had come out of it.
Well, absolutely. The main point on which the petitioners have relied on while filing this review petition is the fact that the government had misled the Supreme Court on several aspects during the course of the hearing. More specifically regarding the entire CAG report, and what the government had at that time in the affidavit said that the report was already placed before the CAG and they had gone through the intricacies of the entire Rafale deal. Something later on they went to clarify, and they said that the report is ready to be placed before the CAG, which is what they meant in the affidavit that they filed earlier during the hearing. So the petitioners had caught on to that. They specifically said that on several points the government had misled the Supreme Court, on the basis of which the Supreme Court had finally passed this decision, where they said that there was no wrongdoing done in the Rafale deal. So essentially, after the Supreme Court had allowed for the review petitions to be heard in open court, now we are seeing the first affidavit being filed by the central government to this regard, clarifying their stand on the entire Rafale deal, and that is exactly what we can expect to be a part of this affidavit as well, to counter each of the allegations made by the petitioners before the Supreme Court, and also give a clarification on exactly what the central government has said in the past, specifically with regard to the documents that went missing from the Ministry of Defence. And then we'll see whether or not what details come forth.
And we're expecting that the hearing will be resuming tomorrow in the top court, where we are getting to know that so far to file a counter affidavit, the government has moved forward and the permission has been given by the top court there. Nalini, keep an eye out on the developments that take place. For the moment, thank you very much. We slip into a short break.